What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, I have my S9 Plus. Today I'm going to be telling you guys why I believe the midnight black color is the best color out of all three. And personally, this is just going to be because I've always liked everything that goes with black. So like black tires, black rims, tinted windows, black cars. I don't know, I just have a thing for wearing all black and stuff like that. But the design of this just looks so good. Like, yes, with the midnight black edition you're gonna get a lot of fingerprints on it, but you just gotta wipe them off. Let me wipe them off real quick here. Look at that. That's beautiful right there. That's a beautiful color. Now I'm not sure what the other colors are. I mean, I know what they are. There's the purple one and then the gray one. I've had the gray one. I felt it at the store. I saw it at the store, and personally I didn't think it was that good. It would look like the one from the S7 Edge. And well, the purple one, that one's pretty cool too, but purple is just so not a bright purple, but it's like a light purple. But I'm not much of a fan for purple. I mean, if you guys are, then that's the one you guys should go for. But this is a nice neutral color that blends in, that makes it look all just uniform and just one whole body. And I personally believe that this is the best color and the one you guys should get. You slap a clear case. I'm going to be doing a review on a clear case that I have found already on Amazon for around $5, I think. So it's going to be a cheap case. And so the way I was going to be like a video on the color and then the impressions of the design and stuff like that. So for one-handed use, yeah, you have to do that little shimmy motion if you guys don't have big hands, which I don't. I have like medium-sized hands, I guess. But for normal people, you are gonna have to struggle a little bit to reach all the way to the top, which they have thought about this and have implemented a one-handed mode where it just makes it smaller and then you can hold it. But most people won't actively be doing that. So you're gonna have to be stuck doing the hand shimmy motion. But as for the fingerprint sensor, when you hold it, you can your index finger naturally rests on the fingerprint sensor, so that's very good. You're not gonna be missing it and clicking on the camera or something like that. Like, you can feel it, you know where it's at. It's not like over here like on the S8 Plus and stuff like that. So you understand how it's gonna be. You still have your volume rocker buttons right here. Your two volume rockers. Let me see if I can. Yeah, your volume rockers, and then you got your Bixby button, which I'm gonna try to do a video on Bixby, but for right now, I have it disactivated. You got your home button. Oh, sorry about that. You got your home button right here, and you have your SD card, micro SD, and your SIM slot right there. As you can see there, the screen is beautiful. The headphone jack is still there. You have a USB type C now there, and a bottom facing speaker, and then this earpiece is now a speaker as well. So you have what they call is dual front facing, well, not front facing speaker, but just front facing speakers now. So in case you're playing and you cover up while playing like this, you still have this one that's firing at you, and it won't just completely dull out. And they have, what is it, Dolby Atmos sound or something like that for video, or for sound that when you're watching movies and stuff like that, that supports it. You can now listen to it like a movie theater. And let me just show you guys the display one more time, because this is a nice looking display. Look at that display, guys. That's a display. It is so big. It is. It feels good in the hand as well. Like, yes, it's kind of big, but then you compare it to my iPhone 8 Plus, and it's smaller in length and width and weight. I think this one weighs more. This is heavier because it's. Well, let me just take it out the case so you guys actually can see it. Come on. Okay, so as you guys can see, let me just put them side by side. Yeah, so the iPhone sticks out a little bit more, and in terms of height, they're roughly the same, but the iPhone is a little bit taller by just like not just a couple centimeters. But let's see if you can see like this just completely swallows it, and then this you can still tell that there's an iPhone behind it because there's still some showing it, like right here on this corner right here. But this is easier to hold than that, because on this one you really have to like go all the way to the top with your little shimmy motion. But we're comparing right now, we're just looking at the S9, no more iPhone right now. And just look at that gorgeous back, all glass back. Overall, such a nice design. People were saying Samsung or giving Samsung a lot of criticism because they used the same design and materials as last year. But look at Apple, they've been doing the same thing with the Plus model since, what is it? The iPhone 6 Plus is basically, you put an iPhone 6 Plus side by side to my iPhone 8 Plus, and what you're getting is just the difference in camera and the material in the back, but the design is still the same, still exactly the same. Now you compare the S9 Plus to what was at the time. When did, okay, so the iPhone 6s Plus, so that would have been coming from the 6X, no, from the S6 to the S7 was a huge design change, which well, they had the S6 Edge, but that was like the beginning of it. And then you had the regular S6 and then the S5, which were basically like not curved edges, but the S6 Edge to the S7 Edge, it was a complete like it was the beginning of what we have come to know as the infinity display, where it's just like so beautiful, such a big display. They were pioneering it, and iPhone is still with that with these bezels right here. Let me show you guys. Look at those bezels. Let me show you the bezels over here. Look at that. Not even that big. Look at that. Compared to like my thumb compared to my pinky, basically, is what the difference is. And it has just come a long way from that S6 and S7. Now they have almost all like 96% screen to body, I think it is, screen to bezel. And overall, I am really liking the phone. The design wise and stuff like that is just really nice. And in my opinion, you guys should get the midnight black, because silver doesn't cut it for me. It's just, I don't like silver. And then purple, I mean, it's fine, but a little flashy for me. So midnight black for right now is the best color you should get, in my opinion. If you guys have a different one, please let me know down in the comments below. Tell me what you guys want to see with this phone. So I'm going to try to start taking some pictures, but I normally just take pictures of food and stuff and put them on Yelp. But I guess I can take pictures of like scenery and stuff if you guys really want to see some real life camera capabilities. But without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for showing me much love. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.